Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Tax Impact Calculator and how to estimate after-tax income. First, we start with gross dividend income. Gross dividend income means the total dividend income before any taxes are deducted. In this example, the expected annual dividend income is $8,000. Next, we identify the dividend tax rate. The tax rate may depend on whether the dividends are qualified or ordinary, and it may also depend on the investor's personal tax situation. In this example, we are using a dividend tax rate of 15%. After that, we calculate the tax owed. The formula is simple. Tax owed equals gross dividend income multiplied by the tax rate. So, $8,000 multiplied by 15% equals $1,200. Then, we estimate the after-tax income. To do this, we subtract the tax owed from the gross dividend income. So, $8,000 minus $1,200 equals $6,800. Now, let's compare after-tax income at different tax rates. If the tax rate is 0%, the investor keeps the full $8,000. On the other hand, at 10% tax, the after-tax income becomes $7,200. Similarly, at 15% tax, the after-tax income becomes $6,800. Then, at 20% tax, the investor keeps $6,400. At 25% tax, the after-tax income becomes $6,000. Finally, at 30% tax, the investor keeps $5,600. Therefore, the higher the tax rate, the lower the after-tax dividend income becomes. This is why investors should focus not only on gross dividend income, but also on how much income they actually keep after taxes. In addition, investors should know whether their dividends are qualified or ordinary, because different dividend types may be taxed differently. They should also include state or local taxes if those apply. Moreover, reinvestment decisions should be based on after-tax cash flow, not only gross income. This gives a more realistic picture of how much money is available for reinvesting, spending, or planning future income. Finally, taxes should be reviewed regularly because income levels, tax rules, and personal situations may change over time. In this example, if annual dividends are $8,000 and the tax rate is 15%, the estimated after-tax income is $6,800. This calculation is for educational purposes only, and actual dividend taxes depend on your tax situation and applicable tax rules. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.